Right.
I'm recording it.
Right, we've got John Benham commentary this night.
We're not commentating.
We're not commentating?
No, we're not commentating. We're just going to watch.
In silence?
No, we're not going to watch inside.
That's a bit dull.
Wait. Right. It's going to be slightly confusing.
That's alright.
Some of them got boots on.
There's one bloke with a bib on. Otherwise, I'm baffled. Yeah, it's going to be well hard to tell who's on each other's team, but we don't worry about that. Okay.
Area.
Great save.
You take your camera.
What? You want me to take the camera?
Yeah, go on. I want to watch that.
Yeah, well, so do I. I don't want to record. Oh, yeah. I mean, I'll just hold it in, like, at the middle of the pitch and hope for the best.
Thanks.
Go, come in.
Nice. I definitely see him go well.
No, this looks bad already, doesn't it? You're already looking in the mud.
You need to come on yet.
And me?
Give me right there. Okay. They might pass me though, actually.
They might do, that's a good point. You are a chameleon in it right now. That's why I had to let her go.
When we get to 6, we're on though.
What's that?
When we get to 6, we're on.
Oh, we're only at a minute. Yeah.
He's good, I like him.
Yeah, this guy looks good already. I can't tell what's going on now. We have not scored.
Oh, big game boy, expecting a win.
Thank you.
Best of luck with Trent.
Oh, you guys want to be on the camera again? No, that's gone. Oh, he's sick. He's actually sick. This dude just sponges through tackles. It's actually mad. Evening. Also, man, just drinking toe. This is the worst camera job you've ever seen, by the way. I had literally recorded in half the game.
Left. No, that's right.
Oh, we scored! Boy, let's go.
Who scored?
Josh, I think.
Nice.
Not sure.
Oh no, I'm fine. No. Oh God.
Oh, mate, we're actually taking the lead. Was that the first time in about 14 matches? Unbelievable.
I wasn't even looking.
Yeah, Joy, we weren't even looking, boss. Nice one. That's it, good pressure.
Tommy left.
Oh, that's unlucky.
You're coming at right back, aren't you?
Good tackle.
When the ball's on this side, follow it. Vice versa. Don't let him. Quicker than that, Scott. One more.
Great tackle.
Go on, Josh.
Go on, take a shot. Did it go in?
No, it went wide.
Oh, I couldn't even see. There's so many people blocking.
Off the hook. Oh, he's sick.
Yeah, this is. Can we keep him?
We hope. We've got a minute, sorry.
We got a minute? Yeah, 5. Well. Nice. Well, I say when it goes up the other end next.
Kevin, Tommy, next break, okay? Go forward.
Go on. Unlucky, good effort. Good. Oh, wait, hold it. Right, Kevin, Tom. Yeah, hold it. Wait, don't do.
He's giving the point, right?
Yeah, we'll do. You can do it with Kev now if you want. Oh!
Kevin, Tommy!
That's good.
You stopped recording.
Did I?
Yeah. Yeah, if there's missing minutes, it's because of Tom.
I mean, I literally couldn't press anything because I got golf thing, so...
Also, Joe, you've turned on the super steady, so I can't actually zoom in, which is a bit of an L.
Did we score again?
Did we?
They just kicked off.
Oh, it's not
What a
camera.
fucking tackle! And then the pass. Wait, 5 or 6, you know?
Yeah.
Look at that, just shoot off. Please shoot. Why is he... Who? Wait, why is he playing for our team? Why is that man playing for our team? How much are we paying for this? I want to see Joe's bank statements, because someone's paying.
State your first.
So guys, come on.
Alright, I can swap.
I will.
Let's come back.
Yeah, let's...
Josh!
Oh, you're in the way.
Josh, that's it, bro. That's it.
Did we score a second one?
Man, You should have helped him there.
George, did we score a second one? It wasn't on camera because Tom accidentally
Fuck's sake, man.
turned it off.
It's fine. Oh, yo.
Time, play time. Live Gonzalo. Time. Show up, guys, make options. Go on, Tom! Nice! Look for options!
Your voice is.
I know. Because I'm screaming from my top of my lungs.
Take a drink and then take over for me.
John, oh, that's good. On them. Nice. Good Joe.
George, take over.
Joe! Maxwell!
Can I even zoom with this camera?
No, because he turned on the special mode.
What is this? Panorama?
No, it's super steady. So like it gets rid of shake, but you can't zoom in.
Okay, that's pretty good. I mean, it's not that good because we're not zooming, to be fair. So the shaking is not that bad.
At half time, I'll change the result.
If anyone is tired, swap. Sub in. Ben, behind you. Time. Don't lose it, Joe. Nice. Manon. Joe. Oh, unlucky, Josh. Oh. Josh, stop it there!
Ooh! Wow! I mean, he did try. I think he had a good idea. He wanted to cut in. Nice, Josh. Nice, Tom. Nice. Don't leave him. Throw that ball. Ooh. Oh, God. You have such a good aim. Hell yeah. You have to push him a little bit. On him. Nice. Come on, Joe. Nice. Strong.
Oh, hey, we passed the swapping point.
Yeah. We did. It's fine. It's okay. Wait, give him a minute. Because they're in game, obviously. Right, so.
That guy just keeps falling over himself.
Yeah, come on. Joe, nice. Don't be scared. Oh, hey, ref. Fucking hell, ref. Time. Oh. Josh, swap. Okay, you go in. Tom, go up front. Kevin, go left. All right, Ben, swap. Well done, bro. Go. Well done, Tom. Don't make it. No, nice. Joe, nice. Ben. Oh, nice. We're safe, Gonzalo. Yeah, Gonzalo is pretty good, isn't he? They're shouting for him. Yeah, look up, guys. Nice.
Good
Now, come on. Nice. How long, ref? 2. Okay. Hey, guys, 2 minutes. Hold on. Joe! Joe! Fuck's sake, Joe, come on. Stronger. Oh, nice.
Yes, Kevin.
Oh, oh. It's fine, it's off. It's off. Very nice. It did work out in the end. That's good. Oh!